All right, everybody. So today we're going to do an activity called Find My X. All right, and it's maybe not exactly what you're thinking here. We're going to be creating equations to help our classmates try to figure out some information about us and our lives. And so I have my example poster shown right here on this front page, and we'll get into that in just a moment. But first things first, you're going to click here and check yesterday's work. And so here are examples 1 through 6. And you guys did a really nice job in this. I saw a lot of really nice drawings. You guys set up some good equations. And then after you go ahead and check your work here, you're going to go back to the main document and click right here to access the assignment for today. All right, so a little bit of Friday fun day stuff here. You're going to click here to see the directions for this activity. So right at the top where it's a nice big highlighted, click here. You're going to click on that and see the directions for today. And then you're going to go back to this document, and you'll notice it says, please submit your finished poster and answer key in Canvas, and then upload it to the class-wide poster doc. And this will allow students at home to see the posters created by the in-person students as well as the online students. And so then on Monday, we can solve each other's posters. We can solve for their X. And then right here where it says 2, this is where you can access the class-wide poster document. And so if I click here really quick, you'll notice I have my example where it says student's name and then student's poster. So I chose my poster to insert here first. So I put Mr. Nelson, and then I put my poster that I created for this activity. All right. Again, all of the directions for this activity are right here where it says click here for the directions video, and then the written directions are also included. So that's the big thing for today. And then the final thing that you're going to do to top off this Friday fun day is to go through and view which games you got correct on your bracket. And so here I posted a few pictures of the bracket so far, but if they're a little hard to see, you can click right here on this link, and it's going to bring you to the live updated bracket. And so what you're going to do here is I'll give you the example. Let's say I have a highlighter or a pen. I am going to circle the games that I got correct. Okay, so circle or highlight the games that you got correct, and then don't do anything with the games that you got wrong. Okay, so circle or highlight the ones you got correct. So I guessed the Weber State game correct. I guessed UCLA correct. I guessed Missouri correct, but I didn't guess the Morehead State one correct. So I'm not going to circle it. I'm not going to highlight it. Maybe you want to put an X by it. And then you're going to count up how many games you got correct out of that whole first round. So it's going to be out of all the games over here to start, and then all of the games in the next round that have been played. All right, so far we've had 2 rounds of action. So where are we at now? And by the way, if you didn't see, yesterday Wisconsin won in 3 sets against Weber State. So they're moving on now, and they play BYU tomorrow at 7 p.m. All right, and then just keep that number to yourself. It's just something fun to do to kind of keep track of your progress with your bracket while the tournament's going on. All right. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate you tuning in on this fine Friday. I'll see you at noon.